Hey everybody, welcome to Mammoth Interactive's YouTube channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching this video. And remember that this channel doesn't do Patreon. Instead, we sell our digital courses down below. And every single dollar that we get from the products you buy below goes into making more content. The best way to help out this channel and Mammoth Interactive is to subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. Get thousands of hours and hundreds of courses for a low price down below. We have a monthly option and a yearly option. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the video.
Hey everybody, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add in fog here. Now, every default project comes up with an atmospheric fog. So I want you to delete that, and what we need to do is we need to go to our volumes here, and if you type in the word fog, the fog we want is exponential height fog. So let's drag that in here, and instantly you can see that it does something a little bit different. In fact, you can hide it. You can change it here, visible. You can see the difference here that, well, there's basically a little bit of fog. Now, if this was an actual scene, like for example, a nature scene, this would actually look pretty good, and we wouldn't need to do anything because it actually does look pretty good. But that's not what we're looking to do here. Okay, so let's take a look at some of this here. Let's go ahead and let's change the fog density, and you can see here that it goes to 5. Well, what happens if we go to 20? Well, basically 10 is the max here, and then this is as thick as it's going to get, and this is probably as thick as you want it because you can barely see in front of you. But nevertheless, you can always take a look, and you can always play around with it here. So let's go back, and let's just go to fog here because it's somewhere in here. There we go. And so, if we wanted to do it at like 8, or 7, 5, 1, 2, 3, 2 looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. And you can see that there's a bunch of different options you can do. For example, the fall off changes things up a little bit. And you can also change the color, right? You can be well, pretty much wherever you want here. I recommend making the color a little bit different. As you can see, like it was like a bluish color. So just making it just a little bit different will give you a little bit of leeway here. So I think this looks pretty awesome. You can see that the fog looks pretty good. Like if you're making a cartoonish game, then maybe purple fog might be a little bit better. But nevertheless, you can go ahead and you can change that here. You can change the start distance. So if you've ever been in fog, you know that like you can never really get into it. You can basically play around with that here. So you start distance, you can make it a little bit or a lot, and then you can change the cutoff of that too. All right, and then you can change the opacity of it. So if you want to change it a little bit more, I think 1 looks pretty good. But nevertheless, you can actually change a lot of different values here. But that is how you add in fog to the Unreal Engine here. All right, and that is a very simple and easy tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you really like this channel, you can subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. We release 20-60 hours of fresh new content per month, every month, and we have monthly and yearly options. It's the best way to help with this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.